y'all, welcome back to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. My name is Tammy. I have a little bit of an unboxing to share with you. I got this from an Amazon shop, and I will link their shop in the description box down below. Be interested in, but if you have an iPhone 12 Pro, you definitely would be interested in this product. I sure was. So I asked if I could review this for them, and they sent it to me. So I like how it comes in this little box here. That's nice to protect it. Their store is called TOOVREN, I believe is how you say it. It's TOOVREN. They have their store on Amazon, and I had done one review for them for a face mask. If you haven't seen that, I will put it up in the cards below, or above for you. And I can also link that one down below in the description box. So I like how they have this packaged. I do like the little box. Nice little box. Boxes like that are nice to have. You can always do something with boxes like that. So here is the phone case. These do come in other colors. This is priced at $18.99. Let's see, and if you're a Prime member, of course, it's free shipping for Prime members. The colors come in, now they call this green. I call it aqua blue, because that's what it looks like to me. It's aqua blue, but they have it listed as this is green. Black, gray, pink, and red are the colors. And I picked this color or the pink to review for them, and this is the one they sent. Now, this is very soft. I'm sitting here feeling, I love the way it feels. It's very soft leather. And then it's got the hard casing around it that protects it, so if it falls, it'll protect your phone. And I've got something similar to that on my phone now, except it's very hard to get my phone in and out of it because it comes in two pieces. Now this is not the phone I'm talking about. I'm actually recording on it right now, so I can't show you. I'll have to actually take some pictures of what it looks like and everything in my phone and add it to the video, because yeah, I got thinking I'm recording with the phone, and maybe I should have recorded with my old phone. Didn't even think about that. But I don't like recording with my old phone, to be honest, too much. I get a better recording with my newer phone. I think it records better. Let's see. The special features are, this is a wallet. Okay, it says it's a wallet. I guess it means right here you can put some money in it. So it says it's a wallet feature, a card holder, so you can put money or a card down in here. Screen protection, so when your phone's in here, it'll help protect your screen. Card slot, it means right down in here. Okay, so this unsnaps right there. You can get into it better. A stand feature, which is this right here. That's what made me interested in it, this little thing right here. So then it, just like that, I don't need my phone in there to show you all these little features, do I? And then you can hold it like this. And this is why I was interested in this case, because I like this. And I have one of those, which I have to take it off every time I do a video. And a lot of times this thing will fall off. Is one of these little pop sockets. And I hate this thing. Plus it hurts my fingers even when I'm trying to use it. I really don't like these. I mean, they're pretty and all. I really don't care for them. Now this, I remember when I got from the Dollar Tree, I liked the ring, but I can't figure out where to get any more of them. And only thing is, once they're on there, they're on there. I don't know how to take this off and put it on my new phone. So this has never come off that case. So I always did like that, but I don't know how to take it off and put it on another case. So when I saw this, I was very interested in it. So I asked them, I said, hey, would you want me to review anything else? And they were asking like what? And I said, well, do you got anything, you know, would this fit my phone? So yeah, I got to talking to them and they said sure, so they sent it to me. Got it very quickly too, because they just sent me an email saying I wouldn't get it until the 20th of this month, and I just responded back and said, yeah, I've already got it. So I was impressed with that, how quickly I got it too. Let's see what else this does. Stand feature, phone grip. Oh, it's got a neck strap, which is this right here, which they call a lanyard. It says it's shock-proof, scratch-resistant, and anti-shock. So here's your lanyard, and it's adjustable. And this thing, yeah, you can also adjust this to where you can put it around your wrist as well. So your neck or your wrist, whichever one you want to do. So that's pretty neat. And then it just hooks to right there. It's got some neat little features there. So I'm going to pop up some images here of everything. Let you check those out. Well, that is the phone case, and like I said, I really like the feel of this. It's got a nice texture on the inside, nice texture on the outside. It feels nice and smooth. This leather texture is really nice. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Just great texture. This only comes in the iPhone 12 Pro though. It will not fit any other phone. That's all they've got it for. So if you don't have the iPhone 12 Pro, that's not going to fit your phone. So sorry. But if you've got that phone, then yeah, you might like this phone case. Because I was excited to see that they had it. So I will put everything down in this description box, and you can click on the link for Amazon and go check it out. So I thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a very blessed day, and I will see y'all again soon in the next one.